Alright, so interest. This one's a little bit harder. Let's read the first one. So everybody's on this page. Please, if you're not done with the other one, we'll go back to it in a minute. But let's all focus on this one. Alright, let me zoom it in. Okay. Jack borrowed $5,000 from the bank and agreed to pay the bank 4% in interest on the loan. How much money will Mark need to pay back after 6 months? Now, the difference between this and the other problems is when we look at interest equals PRT, the T is in years. But here my problem is 6 months. It's a fraction. 6 months is what fraction in a year? 1/2. Because 6 months is 6 out of 12, correct? So that would actually be 1/2, right? And to multiply it, we would write it as a decimal. So what would be the decimal of 1/2? 0.5. So your time is 0.5 because it's 6 months. Does that make sense? So the way they make interest harder is they don't give it to you in years, they give it to you in months. So you have to do the conversion. So kids will make the mistake of just multiplying by 6. It's like, no, it's not 6 years, it's 6 months. So therefore, we convert it into a decimal. Alright, so let's multiply. The same thing. Okay, the 5,000 is your principal. The rate is 4%, which is equal to what decimal? 0.04. Alright, so let's multiply. 5,000 times 0.04 is 200. 200 times 0.5 is 100. So your interest is equal to 100. What's my total equal to then? Very good, thank you. $5,100. So, interest is 100 when I multiply the 3, principal, rate, and time. Then I add my interest, which is 100, plus 5,000 gives you 5,100. Any questions on that? No? Alright, number 2. I deposited $12,000 into a bank account that earns a simple interest of 6% annually. How much money will be in the bank after 9 months? So, because it is months, we have to convert it into a fraction. So, 9 months is what fraction? Fraction. Before that. 9/12. Right? So, because I want you to all understand where we're getting the 9. Why is it 12? Because there's 12 months. That would be your total. Then, of course, you divide by 3. And a lot of you told me it was 3/4. And then a lot of you told me already that it's 0.75. You already did the conversion, which is perfect. You're working faster, which is fantastic. Just work on your own.
No. What are you trying to do?
Yes, it can go to 1 month. Yes, but then your fractions would be crazy. Can you imagine if it was 2 weeks? Convert that to a month and then over 12. Yeah, you're right. All right. There we go.